Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the Outer Worlds 2 More Packs mod. I show you guys how to install it. Just need to check my video description for the site link. Just select this image and here are the results after doing this mod. This mod gives your character extra perk points, allowing to unlock more packs and customize your build more deeply. And I show you guys how to install it. Just scroll down. Here you can able to see how to install it. Just drop the files inside this folder. Go to files, and as you can see, there are two mods available. Depends on your need. I just need to download the mod. I'm going with the X3. Select the manual download option. This will 3 times more box point you will get. Select the slow download option, and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. Just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then the mods folder will be downloads up. Right click on the mods folder and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now open the mod folder inside. These are the mod files. And now we just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. If you doesn't know where the game is located, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this file path, and after navigating to this path, if you have doesn't created this mods folder, then copy this mods text, and I'm gonna create it for you again. Just right click on the blank area in packs folder and select new and select folder and paste the text we copied and press enter. And now double click on the mods folder and just drag and drop these mods files. And now just to close up here, and we successfully installed the mod. Actually paste the mod files inside this right path, and now you can open the game and enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.